In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly powerful free bot that will allow you to generate $2,000 or more per week on total autopilot. If you're someone that's been struggling to generate money online, you want to pay close attention to this entire video because I'm literally going to walk you through every single step over the shoulder. So by the end of the video, even if you don't have any tech skills, even if you don't have a following, even if you don't want to show your face online, you can go out there and start to generate income as soon as this week. Now you can see on the screen right here that this is actually one of the affiliate offers I've promoted in the past. You can see total paid. I've been able to generate $28,926 and I still have money coming in every single week. I can go ahead and refresh this so you can see that this is real legit income that's coming in every single week like clockwork. If I go to another affiliate offer right here, you can see that I've generated $29,253.40 and I still have $2,148 reserve that's going to be able to be paid to me within a few weeks, okay? And I can go ahead and refresh this too. So what you're going to be learning works, and it works this year, and it's going to continue to work because this method is powerful. What's going on? Garrett Berry here. Welcome back to my affiliate marketing channel. If you're new to my channel, you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step videos on how to promote offers and generate commissions online. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And if you're excited to learn this powerful free bot method so you can generate these commissions even while you're relaxing on the beach or hanging out with your friends and family, be sure to smash the like button right now. That tells me you want me to make more videos just like this. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so the very first step is we need to find a high converting product to actually promote. Now there's a lot of places you can actually go online. You can go to Digistore24, you can go to jvzoo.com. But for this video, I'm going to use ClickBank. It's very simple and you can actually just go to clickbank.com. And if you don't have an account, you just click start here. You can answer these simple questions that pop up and then you can go ahead and create an account totally for free in a few minutes. Now, once you have an account, you just want to log in to your back office here and you want to go to the very top and click marketplace. This is going to be a list of different categories of products you can find to start to promote. Now don't worry, in this video I'm actually going to share with you the exact product to promote and it's actually going to be in the health and fitness niche, okay? So you don't have to worry about doing your own research, but all you would do if you came to ClickBank and maybe you wanted to promote a different product, you just want to look in these different categories and, for example, you can go to health and fitness. Now on ClickBank, you want to always go to the very top and you want to sort results by gravity. What gravity is basically a score that ClickBank shows you ranking the top selling products at the very top. So you can see Exapure at the time of recording is the top selling best product in the health and fitness category and it actually pays you a really good commission. So it's an average dollar per conversion of $148. So after you make a sale, based on all the upsells and downsells on the back end, you'll make roughly about $150 per sale. So you only need a few of those to really make some good income. So once you do this, you want to actually click promote. You want to actually generate your hop link, okay? So you want to go ahead and you want to copy this here. Now I'm going to open up a notepad and I'm going to keep a few of these links as we go handy because they're gonna come in important as you keep watching, okay? So that's our affiliate link right there. And we want to actually now use a totally free bot that will allow you to generate massive amount of sales with just the click of a button. Most people don't know about this, but if you go to a website called manychat.com, and I'm going to include the links directly below in the description, you can actually get started totally for free. Now they have pricing and stuff like that if you do continue to use this and grow and get a lot more leads, but in the beginning you don't need to pay at all and you can actually use this totally for free, okay? So you just want to click get started for free and then you want to actually choose from these different categories of functions with this bot. You want to choose Facebook Messenger. This will actually allow you to connect your Facebook profile to Facebook Messenger with the ManyChat bot. Now this is totally safe. You can totally feel comfortable doing that because like I said, as you keep watching, we're going to use this to convert these leads that we're going to be generating into cold, hard cash as you'll see. Now, once the page connection has successfully reloaded and it's actually attached, next you want to go to the left tab. They have all these different options, broadcasting, which I'll actually touch on a little bit later, automation. We're going to focus on growth tools because we need to actually create a tool inside of this free bot to start to get the most bang for our results. Okay, so you want to click new growth tool at the top. You want to go down. They have all these different widgets and things like that. The one we're interested in is going to be landing. Okay, so go ahead and click that. Now, what we're going to do with this tool is actually create a landing page that will hook up with Messenger. As you'll see in just a second, it gets really, really powerful. So what we want to do is make this very simple for yourself. Okay, there's a lot of buttons. There could be a lot of text. Watch this video very, very step by step. Follow me as I go. If you have to rewatch this video a few times, you want to pay attention because it's actually quite simple. So for page template, you want to hit media background. Now, this is all good. You can scroll down. This is just changing the colors and the button background. You don't have to worry about any of that. Just go down and under image, you want to click video. Now, we're going to come back to this in a second. So you just want to hit next. After submit, you want to click redirect to URL. Now, once you do that, you want to actually open up that notepad where you saved your affiliate link. So you want to take your affiliate link here, and what you want to do is you just want to paste it inside of that box here. So that means like once someone actually completes the landing page that we're going to be creating right now, they will get redirected to our affiliate offer. And because it's very high converting, it's really good selling, then a lot of people are going to actually pull out their credit card and buy, and we're going to be able to rake up these commissions very easily. So this is all good. Okay, now we want to go back, and where it says link to background video, we're actually going to add a link to a video here, and this will appear in the background of our landing page. Now, don't worry, you're not going to have to create the video yourself. In fact, you can actually go over to YouTube, and you just want to type in the search bar the niche followed by stock footage. Okay, so for the sake of this video, health and fitness stock footage, and we just want to search that. Now, what this will share is different videos that have to do with, stock footage. Now, you can actually go ahead and use this in the landing page that you're creating. So if I open this up right here, what I want to do is I actually want to go to the very top, and I want to copy the link to this video, and then I can go back here and I can literally just paste that in. Now, you can see what this is going to look like here. This is the preview. Okay, so that's looking pretty darn good. So this video is going to play in the background, and then we have the titles. Now, we want to actually edit the titles right here to make it more relevant to the product we're promoting. So we can go back to ClickBank, and if you actually click on the name of the product, it's going to open up this sales page. And what we want to do is we just want to look for some compelling headline or piece of text on here that we can copy and paste onto our landing page on ManyChat.com. This one looks pretty good. Scientists discover the real root cause of the belly fat. Okay, so I can go back here and I can go to this text here and I can say scientists. Okay, I can go ahead and type that in right there like that. And then I can go ahead and edit this text here, and I can just say something like, click the blue button below to get access. Okay, something like that. Now you can go ahead and edit these colors right here. You can just go over here, description, and I can change the color like that just to make it better, make it stand out. And you can go ahead and play around with this. But this is looking pretty good. For the headline, I can click there and I can maybe make that, yellow or something like that. Okay, so that's coming together. And then when you're done, you just want to click save. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Now, the last thing with the landing page, you just want to go here, click setup, and we want to actually copy URL to clipboard. That's going to copy the direct link to our landing page, which is going to look like this. Okay, so if we promote that link and someone comes here and they actually see this title, they see this nice video, and they click send a messenger, what's going to happen is that person will automatically get added to a broadcast list inside a ManyChat, and we can send a message to a ton of people through Facebook. And because a lot of people are checking their Facebook profile on a daily basis, they're going to see our broadcast messages, our promotional posts, and we're going to be able to make a lot of money. Okay, so once that's set up, now you just want to click this little back button right here, and now we just want to edit what happens when someone opts in. Okay, so we can send them an automatic message right here, but we want to edit this slightly. So it says welcome first name, which will automatically put their first name in there, which is pretty cool. Thank you for subscribing. And you can go ahead and say, thank you for subscribing. You're one step away from finding out how to boost your metabolism fast. And then you want to leave in there, PS, if you ever want to unsubscribe. Okay, then what we can do is we can actually add a delay right here, and you can do 3 seconds. That's going to look like the person's actually typing in real time, so the person thinks they're talking to a real person and not just a bot. Okay, and then just click text. and you want to say something like, click the button below to learn the easiest way to lose weight today. Something like that, and customize it to your own niche, of course. Then you just want to click add button, and we just want to type click here for info. And then we just want to hit open website. And then when they click that button, we want it to actually go to our affiliate link. So we can go ahead and open the notepad, copy our affiliate link there, and then paste that in there. And then we can just hit done. So that's looking really good. So basically what happens is when someone opts in to our landing page, then they'll get this automatic message. It will look like it's typing for 3 seconds. It will send this next message. And then when they click that button, it will actually redirect them to our affiliate page. Now you can just click publish right there to make sure it's actually active. And we can go back to growth tools, open that up. And again, if you have not gone to setup, you just want to copy this page. And this is where we want to get everyone to go to. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, now that our landing page is set up, we've hooked it up to our mini chat, all that good stuff. Now what I'm going to do is share with you a very simple free traffic method to get a lot of people going to this page, so then you can start the process as soon as today. Okay, so we're going to be using Facebook. Because ManyChat hooks up to the person's Facebook, it makes sense to just get free traffic on Facebook. So what you can do is go to the top search bar, type in a few words that have to do with the niche your product's in this case, health and fitness. Go ahead and search that. Then we want to filter by groups, okay? Because we're going to be actually using Facebook groups to drive massive free traffic. So we just want to look for a few groups that have some good member size, okay? So this has 23,000 members. And we want to join a few of these. Okay, this has 136,000 members, but we also want to look at how many posts per month they have, okay? If they only have like, 7 posts a month or less, that's not a very active group. Not a lot of people are going to see when we post in there to actually start to get an interest and leads. This one right here has 57,000 members, 6 posts a day. So that's a very active group. You can join that. And then once you open up and you're actually a member inside this group, you can actually go to discussion right here. And what we want to do is we want to make a very simple curiosity building post. Has to do with our product that we're promoting to generate interest in what we're doing. So I actually made this post a while back on my main profile, but this is the format you want to follow. Okay, so I was in the make money online niche with this product. So I just posted something very curiosity building. Okay, so I posted about a result. Okay, so wow, I just made $12,500 in 9 days after applying what my friend taught on his free live stream. Now notice I don't actually talk about what I was taught or what I learned. Okay, that's the curiosity. You want to leave that out, and then you want to give a call to action. So want to watch it, and then yes please, yes please. All these people said yes. And then I can literally just open up, message these people the link to my landing page. Okay, so I would send them this page here, right? So you would basically make a post like this, leaving out information inside of this group here. I can say something like, oh my gosh, I just learned this amazing way to boost your metabolism. If you want information, comment yes. And then all the people that comment yes, I just send them again the link here. They get added to the messenger, and then they can go ahead and check out the affiliate page. Now, the last thing I want to share with ManyChat is it's actually pretty cool. So as you do this, you will actually start to build a long list of people that have actually already opted into your messenger list. And what you can do is you can actually go to broadcasting. You can click new broadcast, and you can actually send one message to all of those people, and they'll actually receive it inside of their Facebook Messenger. So like I said, most people are on their Facebook Messenger, and when you send out a new promotion, or you could even go back here and you can go to email swipes. Okay, so a lot of these products actually have affiliate pages with information and tips, and email swipes like this. I could actually copy that email, and I can go here and I could send that as a broadcast message to all of my list. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you got a ton of value. If it was a little bit technical, be sure to just rewatch this video a few times, follow it step by step. If you like this video, you want me to post more videos just like this, sharing autopilot, easy, simple methods, be sure to smash the like button to actually let me know to make more. Also subscribe to the bell icon so you're always notified of my weekly videos. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 way to earn up to $1,000 per commission, even while I'm sleeping, be sure to click the first link below and watch that free training video. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.